the ultimate guide to finding winning products for your dropshipping store. For finding a winning product, you must have a winning mind to find a winning product. So in this video we are going to found an ultimate guide to find winning product. So guys, welcome to our channel and thanks for support. Keep supporting us. The ultimate guide to find a winning product is, listen to me carefully. There are several ways to find a winning product for your dropshipping store. Conduct market research. Use tools such as Google Trends, SEMrush, and Ahrefs to research the demand and search volume of potential products. Identify what products are currently popular and in high demand. Look at what your competitors are selling and see if there's a gap in the market that you can fill. Identify your niche. Consider what types of products you're most interested in selling and what you're passionate about. This will make it easier to find products that align with your interests and expertise. Utilize e-commerce platforms. Use platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehu to find dropshipping suppliers and to browse through their products. These platforms also provide reviews and ratings of the suppliers, which makes it easier to identify a reputable supplier. Attend trade shows. Attend trade shows and industry events to discover new products and to meet with suppliers. Utilize social media. Utilize social media to stay up to date on the latest trends and to identify popular products. Follow influencers and brands in your niche to see what products they're promoting. Test and iterate. Once you have a list of potential products, start testing with a small inventory. Keep track of the products that perform well, and continue to iterate and improve your product selection over time. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Yellow heart.